Welcome back to the Luxury Cars Reviews. 2026 Aprilia RAV4 Factory exterior design, aerodynamic bodywork, sharp, race-inspired styling. Expect aggressive lines, winglets, like the current RAV4 1100 Factory, and a compact tail section. Improved wind tunnel optimization. Aprilia may refine the fairing for better downforce and reduced drag. LED lighting signature DRLs. Slim, angular LED headlights with Aprilia's triple LED daytime running lights signature. Carbon fiber premium materials. The factory version typically includes carbon fiber front fender, side panels, and heel guards. Lightweight forged aluminum wheels, possibly with new designs. Color schemes. Graphics. Aprilia's traditional black, red livery or tricolor, Italian flag accents. Potential new matte, satin finishes or special edition colors. Adjustable ergonomics. Race style clip-on handlebars, adjustable on factory models. Lightweight single seat tail, with passenger seat cover included. Exhaust undertail design. SC Project or a Crapova Diaris slip-on exhaust, depending on region. A more compact, high-mounted exhaust system for better weight distribution. Possible new features. 2026 updates. Semi-active aero, adjustable winglets for track, street modes, like Ducati's Panigale V4R. Next-gen TFT display, higher resolution dash with enhanced connectivity. Revised air intakes cooling, for better engine performance in high-speed conditions. How to get official info. Since this is a future model, Aprilia has not confirmed details yet. For updates, watch ICMA 2025, November 2025, where Aprilia often debuts new models. Follow Aprilia's official website and social media. Would you like performance specs or comparisons with rivals, like Ducati Panigale V4 or BMW M1000RR? Let me know. If you meant a different Aprilia model like the Jaguar V4 or RS660A, let me know so I can adjust the details. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.